which I've bought and read. The Intelligent Investor. This is by Benjamin Graham. We've got the Financial Times Guide to Investing, the definitive companion to investment and the financial markets. Short-term trading, Dummy's Guide to Investing in Shares. So many books, so many ways to do it, but you can go into overwhelm, or you should do it, but where do you start? Well, the best place to start is take a look at my channel. You Are Moving Up. I've got no end of videos that you can scroll through, shorts, where you'll get an idea of how to invest. And if you keep looking at them and reviewing them, you'll be able to become an investor. So, my latest published video is a short warning if you have a pension fund. The next one before that was, is BP a good stock to buy? Fully comprehensive channel, and it's called You Are Moving Up, and it's available on YouTube at no cost whatsoever. The other thing you can do is set up an account with Trading 212. I have a video showing you how to do this, and that's where I do most of my transactions. So all you need is my channel and an account with Trading 212. Go to the App Store and set up Trading 212. Then I will guide you through how to start to become an investor. I have written, or about to write, or will be available soon, a little book, ebook, available, showing you how to become an investor. Hope you found this interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.